Is it faster? Let's find out.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are finally going to reveal our Dragy results after installing all of our processed wet stuff. You have been patiently waiting, or should I say waiting not patiently, but that's okay. I'm sorry for the wait. I was trying to wait to do this Dragy hit till we had the processed wet stuff in stock, and it's not quite there, but we're almost ready to restock everything. Just to give you a recap, I'm gonna pop the hood and show you everything that we've done to the Ranger Raptor so far. There it is. She's still a beauty, even though she's a little bit dirty, because we do take her off-road. I know it's not really an off-road vehicle, but we do use it for off-road fun. So we did install all of these processed West goodies. We have the stage 1 intercooler, we got the air in box, the crossover pipe, and then the charge pipes. And the only other modification that I've done that I haven't filmed about yet is the Boomba blow-off valve spacer. This just kind of gives you the whooshy sound. This isn't like a recirculatory one or anything like that. I just like that sound, and it just makes it sound faster. So of course it's gonna give me at least like 3 horsepower. You can get all of these processed West parts, Boomba, all the skid plates for the Ranger Raptor at our website at buckleupoffroad.com, so be sure to check it out. It's been a few months since we've installed the processed West parts. Now, the Ranger Raptor had some time to kind of relearn itself, although we don't get to drive it that much because we are fitting it for other products and everything like that. But I want you to keep in mind, before we do this Dragy hit, there are some pretty big variables that I think are going to have an effect on performance, and that's the weather. We are in the dead of summer here in Florida, and we're probably 10 to 15 degrees hotter than when I did the original Dragy pool. If you missed the original Dragy pool, here it is. Of course, I drove all the way to Mexico to do this. Big disclaimer. But I've made you guys wait long enough for this Dragy hit. We're gonna give it our all and have our fingers crossed and hope that this is still faster, even with these hot weather conditions. She felt good the first time, but she felt even better this time. So let's see if the Dragy numbers reflect that. Now, just to recap, on our very first Dragy hit from months ago, when it was much cooler out, we did a 2.39 60 foot and a 9.52 at 75 miles an hour for the 8th mile. But what did we do today? Today, we did a 2.2 60 foot and a 9.41 at 76 miles an hour at the 1/8 mile. So it is faster. Even in this heat, I can only imagine what kind of numbers we're gonna get when it's nice and cool here in the winter months. I think we're gonna get much better numbers. But the sad thing is, if you call it sad, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do another Dragy hit before we go on to the next part of our build, which is a full-on tune and exhaust. So we are definitely gonna see better numbers that we've seen here today. Another fun fact for the viewers that are Bronco fans or a Bronco Raptor fan, the Ranger Raptor is actually faster than the Bronco Raptor on my last Dragy hit video that I just released. Here we go. Here are the numbers. Buttercup at 60 foot, 2.29. 8th mile, 9.94 at 71 miles an hour. But how does that compare to the Raptor? Well, the Raptor did 2.27 in the 60 foot, and in the 8th mile, 9.62 at 73 miles an hour. If you missed that video, you want the details, be sure to click on the link above and I'll send you to that video. We may be messing a little bit more with the Bronco Raptor to kind of make it more competitive with the Ranger Raptor. So just a lot of performance builds, a lot of fun stuff headed your way. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a video. And until next time, guys, buckle up, Buttercup.
Buckle up.